Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to send Solana from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet. So pretty easy. First of all, you are going to be opening Phantom Wallet since it is going to be receiving your crypto or Solana. Then we are going to be clicking on this receive since it is going to be receiving. Click on Solana and copy this address here. Now this rest of the steps are pretty easy. Head over to your Trust Wallet, and then here you are going to be pasting your address for Solana. So currently you can create your new wallet, so create a pin. I'm going to be doing that really quickly. So once I confirm this, I'm going to be opening. You can see we have secret phrase, or make sure to go through this step. And once you do that, let's just say you're going to be having your Solana here. You are going to be simply clicking on send and then paste the address that we just copied. So let me just show you. So this particular address that I'm talking about, and your process is pretty much completed. So that's how you can send Solana from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet.